To ensure the best cleaning experience, Pacvac offers an extensive range of accessories. The combination floor tool is ideal for use on both carpeted and hard floor surfaces. The user can conveniently switch between settings to either raise or lower the nylon bristles as needed. The hard surface floor tool is best to use when vacuuming dry dust and debris from hard floor surfaces, featuring fine nylon bristles which gently sweep and collect stubborn dust and dirt from the floor surface before being sucked into the machine. The Turbo Head Floor Tool is a light, non-powered unit which utilizes the suction and airflow of the vacuum cleaner to spin the bristles. The washable microfiber dusting attachment fits the all-purpose floor tool and is great for picking up fine dust particles, particularly suitable for polished surfaces to avoid scratching. The dual-purpose wing brush easily connects to the end of the wand, tackling difficult tasks. It's also great for hard-to-reach areas. Simply pull out the wings to access the tool for hard floor surfaces and reverse to utilize the dusting brush, which is perfect for cleaning blinds, curtains, air vents, and other small areas. The flexible crevice tool is strong and durable, great for getting into those hard-to-reach and awkward spots, ideal for cleaning between furniture, car interiors, and other difficult spaces. The wand accessory tool holder clips onto the wand, allowing the user to conveniently carry 3 tools for easy access. The wall-mounted wand holder is a great accessory for convenient wand storage. The Telescopic Wand allows the wand to be extended and retracted to suit varying operator heights for optimal user convenience. Heavy-duty 20 or 18-meter lead with a residual current device for optimum operator safety, which shuts off electricity instantly if there is a fault.